Hi everyone, Erin with Eat, Pray, Get Well. I'm going to help you with an easy tip on how to test your house for mold. All you'll need are these very inexpensive mold test plates. You can buy them at Home Depot, or I personally get mine from Microbalance Health Products. If you decide to purchase from there, use my code EPGW for 10% at checkout. So now I'm going to check the air, my curtains, carpet, and all my furniture to see if I have any issues with mold. We're going to close the lid and remember to label each lid so we remember which was tested. Then we're going to fold it in aluminum foil and put it away for 5 days. On the 5th day, this is our studio, and it tested perfectly. I wish I could say the same for my son's room. This is his carpet. It has too many mold colonies, and this can cause health issues even in healthy people. So what we decided to do is we were going to rip up that rug and put down wood flooring. 2 weeks later, this was how his room tested. It's perfect. Well, it doesn't get any easier than that. Well, thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin for Know the Cause.